Can you do a video covering Dallmyd going out on Memorial Day searching for junk in a river with 30,000 people? He has 10 million plus subs, and I think it spreads a pretty bad message.
Guys, Jake here. Today I'm here with my buddies Tristan and Brandon, and today we're all here together to scuba dive Ginnie Springs for Memorial Day weekend. This place is slam packed with people. It's just a madhouse. I've got a couple of e-cigarettes, but that's about it. Me too.
Well, doesn't that sound like a brilliant idea where other people are stuck at home trying to not go out and get infected? You're out having fun spreading the wrong message. Let's watch more.
The first one didn't hurt mine.
Damn, holy smokes, look at all those Covidiots.
Now, this is where everyone gets out when they're done tubing at the river.
We all have COVID now.
Yeah, thanks, man. No problem.
Yeah, thanks, man, for the COVID.
Yeah, thanks, man. No problem.
I'm not gonna lie, it looks like they're having a good time.
Hey guys, look at all the garbage and crap that I found under the water. Isn't it great?
Yeah, so I'm a dumbass and I swam under like 30,000 people and underwater because I don't really care. And they didn't even wear masks. Nobody else even wore masks. Coronavirus can be spread through tears, sweat, and urine. Scientists discover that coronavirus can be spread through urine as well as poo. So you gotta love somebody that has over 10 million subscribers is that desperate to get content and make that money that they go out and put themselves at risk as well as their friends and their family. What idiots. And show a great example to the rest of their viewers on what not to do. He's just someone I was subbed to but just unsubbed. Damn, point proven, some people actually care, and that's good because people should care. It really breaks my heart that a lot of people don't take this seriously, and if you look on trending on YouTube, you can actually see a lot of the famous YouTubers don't even care. So Derek, thanks for providing this juicy content. I really appreciate it, and I hope you appreciate this video, everyone. If you did, please like it, comment down with your opinion. Chomper. and as well as click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace out. Snoochie booches.